bring in our guests who are joining us this morning. Shriraj Nair, National Spokesperson of the VHP, Ahmed Ayaz, lawyer and political analyst, also with us at this moment. Mr. Nair, I want to come to you first. Finally, this is something that, organizations like yours, the VHP, and of course the petitioners have been demanding for a very, very long time. It's now after 30 years that there would be this entry and the gathering of evidence which is now going to take place.
Well, good morning to all of you, my fellow panelists, and we really welcome this move. And it's a great day for all of us. Satyamev Jayate, we say in Hindi. Truth is going to prevail. And we hope that today nobody is going to cause any hindrance in the survey. Nobody is going to cause any hindrance in the videography process. Let there be total transparency. Let there be a total respect for the Honorable Court's order. Let nobody come in between, or let law and order prevail in the Uttar Pradesh in Varanasi. We are very happy that today the court that today everything is going to be, from today onwards, everything is going to be clear, and it's really a welcome move.
Okay. All right, it's a welcome move for, in fact, the people, those who have been backing this kind of a survey for a long time. Mr. Ayaz, don't you believe that this could have happened more smoothly if initially this blockade was not put up by, in fact, the Masjid Committee? Yes, you have gone to the Supreme Court, legal rights exist, but at this moment, the rule, the court's order has to be implemented to the T. This wouldn't have become the kind of controversy that it has if in the first two attempts the survey was allowed to go through.
It cannot be denied that sentiments are attached with the religious places. But the fact is that such issues have been already put in rest somewhere in 1991 with the Religious Places Act. Which I will also just read out, is that as per the Act, no person shall convert any place or worship of any religious denomination or any section thereof into a place of worship of a different section of the same religious denomination, or of a different religious denomination or any section thereof. So point is, for last some time, these things are getting, prioritized and are reinitiating the atmosphere in the overall whole country. See, one side we believe that we say that we'll have to.
Mr. Ahmed, you also don't you agree, sir, that at this moment, this order, or at least the case, is not pertaining to any kind of ownership claim. It is not about the 1991 Act, because nobody is trying to change the nature or the characteristic of, in fact, a place of worship. The only contention is till 1995, before the government, the local government here of the Samajwadi Party locked this entire premises. People were allowed to go and offer prayers. The prayer right now is to give them access to the Shringar Gauri so that they can go and offer their prayers.
My point of telling you is that, see, there are sentiments attached to these places, religious places, but the point is that the whole country, I think, is getting into the Mandir Masjid issues now. Instead, doing something major on developmental front, with all this, that yes, these stands almost settled these issues, except in the Babri Masjid had some issue. But I don't know why we are getting into all these things, which creates a divide between different communities, particularly Hindu-Muslim community, right, in the country. So,
sir, can't we think, somewhere partially I do agree, but the fact also is, for this could have been possibly a process of, an example where if the process was, the court process was allowed to go ahead smoothly. There were people, those who created hindrances, possibly resulting to this kind of a friction.